Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. How to make maple leaf pillows. Enjoy the video. In this video, I'm going to use felt fabric, scissors, pins, stuffing, thread and needle, paper, pencil, and fabric marker. First, take your paper and draw a shape like this. Take your fabric, place on fold, take your pattern, pin, and cut. Next, we want to do something like this on the fabric. So what we are going to do is I'm going to take thread and needle and I'm going to sew here. You can use your fabric marker to mark something like this, or you can just freehand it. I'm going to do that on one of these and then put this aside, and let's sew. Okay, it's done like that. Now take the other piece, put here and put here, and sew right round. This time I'm going to use yellow thread and needle and sew here, and I'm going to leave a small space here. It's done. So now open here, take your stuffing and insert. close up. It's done. Very nice. So I'm going to do a bigger one using this color. Thank you for watching. Me decorative. Arigato.